Ever thought about simple yet mind-blowing hacks that could change your life? Welcome to a world where practicality meets creativity, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Today, we delve into the realm of life hacks. Not just any life hacks, but those that are sure to leave you astounded, wondering how you ever managed without them. Life hacks, those clever shortcuts and genius tricks, are the secret weapons that help us navigate this fast-paced world with a bit more ease and efficiency. They are the little magic tricks you wish you'd known earlier. The nuggets of wisdom that transform mundane tasks into delightful experiences, and the keys to unlocking a smoother lifestyle. From the way you kickstart your mornings to how you wind down at night, we've got something for everyone. We'll be unwrapping secrets that will make you question everything you thought you knew about daily routines. So, brace yourself for the unexpected and stay tuned, life hacks that will blow your mind. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share to help others. Hack number 1, the power nap hack. Ever felt that mid-afternoon slump? That's your body telling you it's time for a power nap. But how do you nap without waking up groggy or wasting hours of your day? Here's the trick. Step 1, find a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy chair or even your desk if it's comfortable enough. Step 2, set a timer for 20 to 25 minutes. Any longer, and you risk falling into deep sleep, making it harder to wake up. Step 3, close your eyes and relax. Don't worry about falling asleep quickly, just focus on calming your mind. So, why does this work? Well, power naps primarily involve the first 2 stages of your sleep cycle. During these stages, your brain waves slow down, allowing for light, restorative sleep. This quick dip into sleep can improve mood, alertness, and cognitive performance. In fact, a study by NASA found that a 26-minute nap boosted pilot performance by 34% and overall alertness by 54%. That's quite the productivity rocket. But remember, power napping isn't a substitute for a good night's sleep. It's just a tool to help you stay alert and focused during the day. So next time you feel a drain, remember the power nap hack. Hack number 2, the 2-minute rule. Ever find yourself trapped in the sticky web of procrastination? Well, the 2-minute rule might just be your secret weapon against it. Let's dive in, shall we? This rule is as simple as it sounds. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Don't wait, don't postpone, just get it done. It could be anything from sending an email, washing a dish, or making your bed. These tasks may seem small, but they can pile up quickly, becoming a mountain of chores that seem insurmountable. The brilliance of the 2-minute rule lies in its simplicity. It doesn't require any elaborate planning or scheduling, just a willingness to act. When you complete these quick tasks immediately, you eliminate the chance of them spiraling into a larger issue. Plus, the satisfaction of getting things done fuels a positive momentum, making you more likely to tackle larger tasks. Now, how do you implement this in your daily life? Start by identifying the 2-minute tasks in your day. Write them down if it helps. Then, when you encounter these tasks, don't hesitate. Just do them. Remember, the aim is to reduce clutter, both physical and mental, and to keep the gears of your productivity machine well-oiled. It's a small step with a big impact, so don't underestimate the power of 2 minutes. Try the 2-minute rule and watch your productivity soar. Hack number 3, the lemon water morning ritual. Now, this isn't just about enjoying a tangy beverage. The lemon water morning ritual is a powerful way to kickstart your day. It's like sending a wake-up call to your body saying, "Hey, let's get going. We've got a day to conquer." Lemons are chock full of vitamin C, which is a great immune system booster. So, while you're sipping on your lemon water, you're also giving your body a little extra protection against those pesky germs. But that's not all. Lemon water can also aid digestion, helping your body to break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. Now, to prepare your lemon water morning ritual, all you need is a fresh lemon and some water. First, squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water. No fancy gadgets needed, your hands will do just fine. And remember, we're talking warm water here, not boiling hot. You don't want to destroy the nutrients in the lemon. The optimal time to drink this is first thing in the morning, before you eat anything. This gives your body a chance to absorb all those fantastic nutrients before anything else hits your stomach. So why not give it a try? It's a simple yet effective way to start your day. And who knows, you might just find yourself feeling more energized and ready to take on the world. Start your day with the lemon water morning ritual for a refreshing kickstart. Hack number 4, the 20-20-20 eye rule. It's a simple yet powerful trick to combat the digital age problem of eye strain. So what's this rule all about? Picture this. Every 20 minutes, you take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. That's it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. This method is designed to give your eyes a much-needed rest from the harsh glare of screens that we so often find ourselves glued to. Whether you're an avid gamer, a relentless workaholic, or a social media enthusiast, this rule is your eye's new best friend. So how do you practice this? Well, it's quite simple, really. Set a timer for every 20 minutes during your screen time. When the timer goes off, take your eyes off the screen and focus on an object or view that's about 20 feet away. Do this for about 20 seconds. It's like giving your eyes a mini vacation every 20 minutes. Implementing this rule can reduce fatigue, dryness, and blurred vision. It's a great way to combat the effects of computer vision syndrome, a condition affecting many of us in this digital age. So, as you navigate through your day, glued to your screens, remember to give your eyes the break they deserve. Remember the 20-20-20 rule to keep your eyes healthy. Hack number 5, the Pomodoro technique. This time management method, named after a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 80s. Here's how it works. You set a timer for 25 minutes, and during that time, you focus on one single task, pushing aside any distractions. After the timer rings, you take a short 5-minute break. This constitutes one Pomodoro. After completing 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes. The beauty of this technique is in its simplicity and adaptability. You can adjust the lengths of your focus and break periods to suit your personal productivity rhythms. So why is the Pomodoro technique so effective? Well, it's all about working with time, not against it. It helps you harness the power of focused attention and breaks, promoting a balance of high productivity and relaxation. It also helps to curb burnout, manage distractions, and maintain motivation. By breaking your work into manageable chunks, you're not just making the task seem less daunting, but also giving yourself regular intervals to rest and recharge. This helps to maintain a high level of energy and concentration throughout the day. The Pomodoro technique isn't just for work or study. You can use it for any task that requires focus and commitment. Whether you're writing a novel, practicing a musical instrument, or simply cleaning your house, this technique can help you get more done in less time. Give the Pomodoro technique a shot and you'll see your efficiency skyrocket. Hack number 6, the gratitude journal. Now let's dive into something that's not just a life hack, but a happiness hack as well, the gratitude journal. What's wonderful about this journal is that it's a simple tool to help remind us of the good things in life we often overlook. It's about shifting our focus from what's wrong to what's right, from lack to abundance, from discontent to gratitude. So you may ask, how do we start one? It's as easy as pie. Grab a notebook, a pen, and dedicate a few minutes of your day, preferably in the morning or before bedtime, to jot down at least 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be monumental. It could be something as small as a warm cup of coffee in the morning, a kind word from a stranger, or a beautiful sunset you witnessed. The aim here is to cultivate a sense of appreciation for the simple pleasures and blessings that surround us. Writing in a gratitude journal helps us foster positive feelings, reduces stress, and can even improve our sleep. It's like a daily dose of positivity, a reminder that no matter how tough life gets, there's always something to be thankful for. So what are you waiting for? Start penning down your daily blessings and watch as your perspective on life shifts from negative to positive. Try keeping a gratitude journal and experience the positive shift in your life. Hack number 7, the smartphone detox. Ever felt like your life is being ruled by that little device sitting in your pocket? Ever reached out to check that urgent message only to find yourself still scrolling aimlessly an hour later? Well, it's time to break free. It's time for a smartphone detox. Our smartphones can be incredibly useful, but they can also be incredibly distracting. They pull us away from the real world, from our relationships, and even from ourselves. That's where the smartphone detox comes in. The idea is simple. For a set period of time each day, you turn off your smartphone, completely. No peeks, no checks. Just pure, undistracted living. Start small, say, for an hour in the evening. Use this time to engage with the world around you. Maybe read a book, cook a nice meal, or simply enjoy a conversation with a loved one without any digital distractions. As time goes on, you can gradually increase the length of your detox. You'll be amazed at how much time you suddenly have and how much more focused and relaxed you feel. Practice makes progress, not perfection, is the goal. If you slip up, don't beat yourself up. Just pick up where you left off and keep going. So, are you ready to reclaim your time and attention? Dare to detox from your smartphone and rediscover the world around you. Hack number 8, the miracle morning routine. This isn't just any ordinary routine. It's a revolution, a transformation, a complete reinvention of your mornings and in turn, your life. So, what is this so-called miracle morning routine? Well, it begins the moment you wake up. Instead of hitting that snooze button, you rise with the sun, refreshed and ready to seize the day. You then engage in a series of 6 practices known as lifesavers, each designed to awaken your mind, body, and spirit. S stands for silence or meditation, A for affirmations, V for visualization, E for exercise, R for reading, and S for scribing or journaling. Now you might be thinking, I barely have time to brush my teeth in the morning, let alone meditate or exercise. But here's the secret. It's not about the amount of time you spend on each activity, but rather the consistency with which you do them. You can spend as little as 1 minute on each, totaling a mere 6 minutes of your morning. Consider the potential benefits: a clearer mind, healthier body, increased productivity, and an overall sense of well-being. It's not just about getting up earlier, it's about getting up smarter. So, how about tomorrow morning? You break the cycle of monotony and give the miracle morning routine a try. Embrace the miracle morning routine and make every day a triumph. Hack number 9, the 5-second rule. This is not about picking up food off the floor, but rather a psychological tool to spur action and squash procrastination. The 5-second rule is a simple yet powerful metacognitive tool created by Mel Robbins, a motivational speaker and author. Here's how it works. Whenever you're faced with a task or decision that you're hesitant about, count backward from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then take action immediately. The countdown creates a sense of urgency, which pushes you to act. It's about breaking the habit of overthinking and hesitation that often leads to procrastination. Let's say you're putting off starting a new project. Instead of dwelling on the reasons not to do it, you count backward from 5, and then you just start. The 5-second rule overrides the brain's tendency to avoid discomfort and propels you into action. This rule can be applied to any area of your life, whether it's waking up early, starting a workout, or making a difficult phone call. The key is to not allow room for doubt or fear to creep in. The 5-second rule is an effective way to trick your brain into doing what needs to be done. It's about taking that first step, which is often the hardest. It's not a cure-all, but it could be the push you need to start making progress. So, the next time you find yourself hesitating, remember, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Implement the 5-second rule and see the magic unfold. And finally, hack number 10, the mindful eating habit. Now, this isn't about dieting or restricting yourself. It's about experiencing food more intensely, especially the pleasure of it. You will get so much more satisfaction from eating, and even eat less by really focusing on the taste, texture, and smell of each bite. Mindful eating is about using all your senses to explore, savor, and taste your food. It's about paying attention to the colors, smells, textures, flavors, temperatures, and even the sounds of your food. It's about chewing slowly and getting rid of all distractions to fully experience the food in front of you. So, how do you start? Begin by taking small bites. Notice the flavors that are released. Reflect on the effort it took to prepare this meal, from the sun's work in growing the food to the cook who prepared it. This can help foster gratitude and a greater appreciation for your food. Next, try eating in silence. This can be a strange experience at first, but it can help you focus on the task at hand and can even become a form of meditation. Remember, it's not about eating all your meals this way, but about trying it from time to time to deepen your relationship with food. Indulge in the practice of mindful eating and taste the difference in your life. And that's it, 10 mind-blowing life hacks that can change your life, mindset, and health. From mastering the simple power nap to kickstarting your day with a lemon water ritual, we've covered some truly transformative tips. Remember the 2-minute rule that can help you conquer procrastination, and the 20-20-20 rule to protect your vision and mind. Don't forget the Pomodoro technique for productivity and the gratitude journal to boost your happiness. Take a step back from your smartphone with a detox. Carve out a miracle morning routine. Use the 5-second rule to make quick decisions and explore the benefits of mindful eating. These hacks aren't just tips. They're tools to live a more fulfilled, healthy, and happier life. We'd love to hear about your experiences when you try these out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share these hacks to help friends. Until next time, happy hacking.